So welcome to the TikTok course. Now, to be successful with TikTok and to make money with TikTok, just like any other platform, you have to be creative, you have to have dedication, and you have to be consistent. That is the only way you're going to see results. So what I'm going to be teaching you in this course, you can implement it to other social media platforms. But I'm doing this course for specifically people that are on TikTok and they are not really making anything. They are just having followers and they are not making anything, or they are just starting off. Or if you want to start up, then you should start off with this knowledge. It's very important. So now let's begin. Now, to make money on TikTok, you can make money on TikTok in different ways, but here is the 5 ways to make money on TikTok in 2023. First is affiliate marketing. The second is digital selling digital products. The third is brand deals, rewards, and then influencer ads. So what is affiliate marketing now? Affiliate marketing is simply you selling people's product and then getting a commission, yes, from that product you're selling or services. So you can get other people's products, advertise it in your own um, TikTok page. So you carefully introduce the product to your audience because people don't like to be sold. They prefer making their own decisions. So they prefer making their own mind. They prefer choosing to buy. So you have to make sure that you know how to pitch in these things that you're selling to them when you're creating your own TikTok content. So now, to be an affiliate, you can just affiliate for anything. So you can go online and then type in anything you want to affiliate for, and then type in at the end affiliate program. So let's say I want to affiliate for Bet Ninja. So what I'm going to do is just type Bet Ninja affiliate program. Anything, one expert affiliate program. So if you type in anything that you want to affiliate for and you put affiliate program at the end, you're going to see if there's an opportunity for you to be an affiliate for that product or services. Then you're going to register to be an affiliate there. It's very simple, and we're going to go into that. You're going to see. So take note of that. People don't like to be sold, so you must know how to smuggle in with your content, smuggle in certain products or services that you want your followers to partake in. Selling digital products is another way of making money with TikTok. So you can sell your own personal digital products, and products that sell well are products like information marketing, that is maybe courses or books, ebooks. You can sell them. Those are information products. You can sell online tools. Online tools are tools that help people do certain things online. Tools like, if you're a graphic designer, you know that there's a tool called remove.bg. So that tool, what it does is that when you put a picture, it helps you remove the background. So that those are tools. So you could even sell those tools too on your page. So you can sell online services also. So let's say you do service for people, and maybe like you're a copywriter, you write for people. So you can put that and then tell your friends that this is what you do, and then grow, and then you can make money from that. So you can use platforms like seller.co. So there's a platform called seller.co. That is where you can host your products there. So when you create an ebook or you create a course, you're going to host it there on seller. So let's keep going. We're going to move into most of these things within the course. So now brand deals, this is the other one. Brand deals, now you can partner with brands and help them advertise their product or services. So now that is one. Two, you can look for brands by DMing them. So you go to your DM or you send them email, you get their email and then send them email, and then you tell them how you want to help them promote their brand. And you can do this, you can give them free offers. That is three. You can give them free offers. This is just um to make a relationship with them, that they can now start doing business with you. So when you give them free offers, when they see that they like it, then they can now do business with you. But this is more effective when you have a big account. It's more effective when you have a big account, and it's more effective when you have actually helped other people, so that when you're pitching these things to them, they are going to see that okay, this is what you have done for other people, and you're actually reliable, and you're a serious person because you have a big followership. But you don't necessarily have to have a big followership, or at least if you have done certain jobs for people, this will still go a long way. So now rewards are things like giveaway, or you can host, you can run a campaign for fundraising. So you can tell influencers that okay, influencers, you can DM them that this is what I want to do with money, help me with money, and I want to start up a business, and you can get certain percentage with it, or just help me. So this is literally like you um pleading and then fundraising for money with your TikTok account. So you can go to them and then plead for them to help you, or you're going to attend a lot of live sessions, and then you're going to gain access to some live sessions that they are doing giveaway, and you're going to benefit from the giveaway when you try and you struggle hard to do so. So this is another way. So now the last way is influencer ads. Now, influencership is when you have grown your account to a very big followership, that is maybe from 10K above. So you can earn from the TikTok creator funds, or you can earn from live stream. So TikTok creator funds is you're going to partner with TikTok to help create certain content, and you're going to get paid for that. And then live stream, you're going to get gifts from your followers, but you have to activate live stream to be able to do that, and you need 1K followers to be able to activate live stream. So I hope this was helpful. This will just give you an insight to what we are going to discuss more. So we're going to go into practical aspects. You're going to see um, how you're going to do all of these things practically.